Hello guys. In today's video, we'll show you how to install the Noam audio system on a Polaris Razor with 4 factory stock speakers and integrate it with the Ride Command head unit using custom Delphi plug adapters. So, if your Polaris Razor has 4 factory stock speakers, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and you are looking to upgrade your sound system, this video is for you. If your Polaris Razor has none or 2 factory stock speakers, check the description below for a link to the correct tutorial video. You will also find a list of compatible Polaris Razor models there. Polaris offers 2 amplifier outputs for the end user to utilize, which are located in the area behind the Ride Command head unit. The main amplifier output Delphi plug, which looks like that, and the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug, which looks like that. Let's walk through each one of the adapters and the connections they provided. The main amplifier Ride Command adapter is used for the main amplifier output Delphi plug. It has 2 RCA outputs. The front RCA output is the one on the right, and the rear RCA output is the one on the left. Pre-wired 4 speaker wires. Those are connected to your pre-installed stock speaker. The top right wire is the front left speaker. The bottom right wire is the front right speaker. The top left wire is the rear right speaker. The bottom left wire is the rear left speaker. Two remote out wires. The subwoofer amplifier Ride Command adapter is used for the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug. It has subwoofer RCA output and remote out wire. Now let me show you how to add and integrate a system with your stock speakers using the main amplifier Ride Command adapter. First, the main amplifier output Delphi plug is connected to the stock amplifier, which powers your stock speakers. To upgrade and expand your system, you must give up your stock amplifier and replace it with an aftermarket amplifier. Start by disconnecting the main amplifier output Delphi plug from the stock amplifier and connecting it to the main amplifier Ride Command adapter. Now, using the adapter, you can hook up the aftermarket amplifier. You will need 2 amplifiers. One amplifier will power up your stock speakers, and the second amplifier will power up the Noam speakers you add on top of your stock speakers. We have here 2 HS 4.4 amplifiers. Each RCA output from the adapter is connected to one amplifier, and the same applies to the remote out wires. This way, you can power 2 amplifiers with a single adapter. The HS 4.4 amplifier has 2 operating modes, 2-channel and 4-channel. In 4-channel mode, the front RCA input powers the amplifier's front channels, while the rear RCA input powers the rear channels. Therefore, both RCA inputs of the amplifier must be connected to the head unit. In 2-channel mode, you only need to use one RCA input. Both the front and rear channels will be powered by either the front or rear RCA input. When using the Ride Command adapter to connect 2 amplifiers, be sure to set the amplifier to 2-channel mode. Moving on to hook up your stock speakers to the HS 4.4 amplifier dedicated to the stock speakers. The 4 red and black speaker wires are pre-wired to your stock speakers and will be used to amplify them. Starting with the 2 stock speakers in the front of your vehicle, connect the top right speaker wire of the adapter, which is for the front left speaker wire, to the white channel of the amplifier, corresponding to the front left. Then connect the bottom right speaker wire of the adapter, which is for the front right speaker wire, to the gray channel of the amplifier, corresponding to the front right. Moving on to the 2 stock speakers in the back of your vehicle. Connect the top left speaker wire of the adapter, which is for the rear right speaker wire, to the purple channel of the amplifier, corresponding to the rear right. Then connect the bottom left speaker wire of the adapter, which is for the rear left speaker wire, to the green channel of the amplifier, corresponding to the rear left. Now all 4 stock speakers will be powered up by the HS 4.4 amplifier. With the second HS 4.4 amplifier, you can add 2, 4, or even 6 speakers, depending on the system, according to the system's user manual. Additionally, you have a second amplifier output Delphi plug, specifically for connecting a subwoofer. Connecting a subwoofer amplifier using the ride command adapter is quite simple. Begin by connecting the subwoofer ride command adapter to the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug. Then connect the RCA output of the adapter to the RCA input of the amplifier using RCA cables. For this demonstration, we are using the BA1 amplifier, which is a mono subwoofer amplifier. Please note that the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug can be used only for subwoofer connection. Before you go, here are a few installation notes and tips. The amplifier should be connected directly to the battery. The ride command head unit may generate static noise. Installing a ground loop isolator will help resolve this issue. You can find a link for this in the description below. A recommended location for mounting the amplifiers is on the firewall, behind the seat, with the cables facing downwards. To prevent the RCA cables from becoming loose and disconnecting during your ride, consider using duct tape or shrink tube to secure them together. The last thing you need to do is to go out for a ride. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below or contact us at service@noamaudio.com. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.